So are you heard about Roofmaker through the numerous magazines that are around? You just see the advert, it stands out in front of you. I went to Grand Designs Live and I saw the product on a stand, and we were looking at windows and roof lights and all that sort of stuff. So that's where I sort of got my first physical contact with the product itself. The effect we were after, because the structure of the house was trying to introduce as much light to the downstairs through our open plan staircase. That was why we put the roof light where it is. Now, our lounge and dining room has got a massive amount of glass, and yes, there's quite a lot of light coming through there. But when we open the blind, it's amazing the effect that you get with the blind opening and closing. So we went for the blind because we wanted to reduce the amount of sunlight in the middle of summer, try and reduce some of that heating effect and solar gain, but also to have as much light as possible when we want it in the winter. It's remarkable. I did not believe that one 2 by 1 metre window was going to create such a dramatic effect in terms of light. I was amazed. I would have no hesitation whatsoever with using Roofmaker again. From choosing the product to the process of talking to the tech guys, this purchase and delivery options and how that all worked. No problem at all. Really pleased with the product.